in utero. Or he. I can't determine it.
I think it is a he.
Oh, and can you go get another towel?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, I gotta see. Are we a boy or a girl?
That's on video.
It looks like a boy, but I'm not really sure. We need to get you upright and nursing. You're trying so hard.
You need to get some other babies out of these bodies.
Let's get Mama over here working on you. I'll go see what's going on back here. You can go back to pictures.
Well, this is actually probably good stuff here. Good instruction manual and stuff.
Well, I've got placenta hanging out here. And cord, but I can't imagine there's not another one in here as big as she is.
Almost. You can do it.
Let's see what's going on with these teeth.
Well, sitting up is going well. Stop it. No.
We just gotta get your plug stripped. And then get her back here. Good mama.